Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Discovery D300 Metropolitan Edition, finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint, with 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include matrix LED headlights, front fog lights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and on the tailgate we have the rear camera. As we enter beneath the powered tailgate, we can see the electrically folding third row seats, as well as the second row seats and parcel shelf. Entering into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sunroof from the inside, as well as the rear panoramic roof. We have the Ebony Windsor Leather seats with Isofix child seat mounts, and on the centre console we can see the rear climate controls. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, as we turn in to view the heated electric front seats. Turning now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control, chrome gearshift paddles, interactive drive display, the head-up display, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. We have the controls for the heated and cooled front and rear seats. We have the 3D surround camera system. You can see the climate controls, the wireless charging pad beneath them, and we have the gear selector and terrain response dial. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.